The natural behavior of water is simple. When it's contained and still, the surface is always flat and level. You've seen this in a glass of water, a pool, or even the ocean on a calm day. Water doesn't curve, it doesn't bend. So, here's the question. If the Earth is a globe, and over 70% of its surface is covered in water, how is it possible for oceans to curve and stick to a spinning ball? It's one of those things that just doesn't sit right, does it? Globe believers will say gravity pulls water toward the center of the Earth, making it conform to a spherical shape. But ask yourself, does that match what you actually observe in your everyday life? You never see water acting like that. Water always seeks its own level, not a curve. So, let's break this down. For Earth to be a spinning globe, vast bodies of water like oceans would have to curve around the planet and somehow stay stuck to it. But water at rest, no matter the size of the body, always maintains a flat surface. That's why builders and engineers have used water as a leveling tool for centuries. From small ponds to huge lakes, the water remains flat when undisturbed. No bending, no curving, just flat. Think about this. Have you ever seen water stick to the underside of something? Imagine trying to splash water onto a basketball. It's impossible for it to stay there. Yet, we're told oceans can wrap around the Earth and stick to its sides. If we can't even get water to cling to a ball on a small scale, how could it happen with the Earth? Globe defenders often point to things like water droplets or surface tension as proof that water can bend. But here's the catch. They're talking about extremely small amounts of water, like what you'd see on the surface of a glass. This has nothing to do with how large bodies of water behave. You've seen lakes, rivers, and oceans. Do they ever bend or curve? No, because they follow a simple rule. They find their level. This is another interesting point, the term sea level. Ever wonder why it's called that? Not sea curve, but sea level. For centuries, this term has been used to describe the flat, horizontal nature of large bodies of water. In construction, tools like spirit levels rely on water's natural tendency to remain flat to ensure accuracy. It's how buildings, roads, and bridges are constructed with precision. Now here's where it gets a bit wild. Some globe defenders have tried to redefine the word level to fit their narrative. They claim that level on a globe means following the curve of the Earth, like a bubble level around a ball. But that's not how the real world works. We use level to mean flat, horizontal. You've never seen a building or road constructed using a curved level, right? So what do you think? Does the behavior of water align more with a flat surface or a spinning globe? If this got you thinking, you're in for more mind-opening insights. Hit that follow button and dive deeper with me into exploring the truths that have been right in front of us the whole time. There's so much more to uncover.